start from the basics. In this lecture, I'm going to explain you what actually ClickBank is. So, what is ClickBank? ClickBank is an advertiser publishing service. It is a large community where you can promote an offer, service, or a product. In addition, you can also have affiliates promoting your product. Generally, ClickBank is a large marketplace where you can get vendors' digital products, and then if you promote them and make sales, you will get good commissions. These commissions are ranged between 50% to 75%. ClickBank usually provides you the affiliate link to promote, through which they can track your commissions when you make a sale. From my experience, I would recommend ClickBank for those who want to start their affiliate marketing journey because it is very easy when you find the right product to promote. Once you sign up to become an affiliate with ClickBank, you will immediately be able to browse the different products available to sell. ClickBank has 10,000s of products available. So, in the beginning, it's helpful to search by niche and commission percentage until you locate offers that you want to promote. Make sure you take time to look at the vendor's sales page before promoting their product. They might be offering a 75% commission rate, but if their website doesn't look trustworthy, you aren't going to generate many sales no matter how much traffic you drive their way. If you identify a good product to promote in ClickBank with less competition, then everything else is easy. And this is what my course is all about. I'll be explaining you everything in my lectures one by one. You will learn how to find good ClickBank products, how to build a super cool ClickBank website, and you will also learn how to bring in sales to your ClickBank website very easily with the software that I am providing 100% free with the course. By now, you will have a clear idea about what actually ClickBank is. In my next lecture, I will explain you about how to create your ClickBank account.